Hey my Nappy Subbers, welcome back to Nappy Missy101. We're going to get that look that you just saw. So we're going to need a water bottle, our brush, our bobble, a comb, some carrot care hair gel, some carrot care edge control, and some black elastic bands. Oh, and you got to be hair gel as well. So I'm going to start with spraying my hair, dampening it to make it quite easy for me to manipulate. So I'm going to start with also parting my hair, as you can see, and then I'm going to tie this up so that it obviously doesn't get into the way. And you need to see what I'm going to do for the back. It is so super cute and super easy, especially if your hair is short in the back like mine and you can't brush it up. And we're going to part it as such. And if you just watch this tutorial, it's quite easy to follow, guys. Oh, you guys, this smells so good. Yes, character, everything. It just smells so divine. And it works beautifully, guys. This is my first time actually using Got to Be Her gel. And so far, so good. I think I'm actually going to do a review on it because everyone raves about this hair product. And after using it, it's some things that I like and what I don't like about it. So I will be doing a review on that Got to Be Hair gel very soon. Nah, whatever oil hair you got laying around, go grab it. Because we are going to crochet it right around our bun. Well, not right around, but I'm just going to apply, I'm just going to crochet 3 directly in front of my bun, in front of my puff. That's done, guys. we are going to gather it and just pull it over our puff. And you can make it as big as you want by adding more hair if you wish, and just wrapping it exactly how you desire. I was rushing because I had something to do, but I would have if I had more time, I would have made it bigger by adding more hair and just kept wrapping hair around that bun to get the desired look that I really wanted. But yeah, I'm gonna take my carrot care edge control and just touch up around my edges. So yeah, you could keep your scarf on for however long you desire, until your hair is dry, until the gel hardens, whatever it is. And I'm also going to, as you can see, I've applied some mascara and some earrings, to try to look a little cute, because I am very plain Jane. So if you get tired of just looking at that bun, you can add a little fox bang to the side. You know what I'm saying? Ha. And it's whatever you desire. Like, play with your hair, guys. Like, really play with it. Have fun. Be funky. Be fresh. Just have fun with it. Really. I'm done. Thanks for coming by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.